Hi, I'm Bill Myers, and this is another one of my video tips of the week. In this week's video tip, I'm going to show you the easy way to convert speech to text. Now, this can be live audio or it can be recorded audio, and it'll convert what you have into a text file that you can save or print or use any way that you want. Like I said, this is free, and you can find it at the Watson Speech to Text demo site. The link to that site is below this article. Now, the way it works is you go to this page, you scroll down, and you see you have several options here. You can choose the voice model, and I chose US English Broadband. And keywords, I didn't enter any keywords, I just let it choose whatever I want. And then you can choose to detect multiple speakers. This means if there's more than one person speaking, go ahead and detect them and convert that as well. Now, you can record live audio, and that's if you have a microphone connected to your computer. All you have to do is click there and start talking. Or you can upload an audio file. The audio files need to be in WAV format, and if your audio files in MP3 or video or any other format, it's easy to convert to WAV. Once you have your audio file, all you do is click Upload Audio File. Let's do that now.
Hi, I'm Bill Myers. This is my video tip of the week. In this week's video tip, I'm going to show you a really nice wireless microphone system that works great with your camcorder. Now, you know, if you have a camcorder and you've done much recording, you know that the onboard microphone on your camcorder doesn't do a very good job. It generally picks up audio that you don't want to hear, and it doesn't record the audio that you do want to hear. Now, a way around that.
I've stopped the recording, but you can see how good a job it did. And I was speaking very fast and using technical terms, and you can see that it got most of the words that I spoke correct, which is amazing considering how fast I was speaking. Now, once I'm done with this, I can just copy this text and paste it into my word processing program or into any other program I want and use it. So this site is called Watson Speech to Text. It's free to use, and like I said, you can record audio direct to it, upload audio files, or play sample files and let them record. But the amazing thing is how good a job it does, the fact that it's free and it's available now. Thought you might be interested in this. I'm Bill Myers. This has been another one of my video tips of the week. You can find more like this at www.bmyers.com.